Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Do you ever feel like your small bedroom is too tight, cluttered, or just plain boring? Well, don't worry, you are not alone, and today I have got you covered with the most stylish and trending bed set ideas for 2025, specially tailored for small bedrooms. Whether you live in a studio apartment or just have a compact room, these ideas will help you maximize space, add charm, and give your bedroom a Pinterest-worthy look. So stay tuned till the end because you will love these transformations. Number 1. Minimalistic bed set. Clean lines, big impact. Let's start with one of the most timeless and modern trends, the minimalistic bed set. In 2025, minimalistic approach is still going strong, especially for small spaces. Picture a small platform bed, preferably in matte black, white, or light wood finish. No fancy carving, no bulky frames, just clean lines and calm vibes. Pair it with solid color bed sheets like beige, gray, or pastel blue. Add 2 large pillows and a single bold cushion for pop. This look makes your room feel fresh, uncluttered, and elegant. Less stuff, more space to move and breathe. Scandinavian cozy vibes, light wood and neutrals. If you are someone who loves cozy corners, then the Scandinavian look is for you. This trend is all about light colored bed frames, thick pine wood or birch combined with soft neutral bedding like white, grey or cream. Add a knitted throw blanket, a couple of minimalistic wall hanging, and maybe a small house plant or a floating shelf behind your bed. The result, a warm cozy space that feels larger than it actually is, and trust me, it looks straight out of a magazine. Storage beds hide the clutter smartly. Now, if your room feels crowded with stuff, this next one will blow your mind. Multifunctional storage beds. These beds are a lifesaver. Look for bed sets that have drawer built underneath or hydraulic storage that lifts up. You can store clothes, blankets, books, anything. It saves you from buying extra cupboards or storage boxes, which means more walking space, less mess. Combine this with a foldable side table and you have got a functional yet stylish setup. Statement headboards. Small room, big styles. Here is a trend that make your bed the star of the show. Bold statement headboards. Yes, even in small bedrooms you can add a little drama. Choose a tufted velvet headboard in bold colors like emerald green, navy blue, or mustard yellow. These rich tones instantly make your room look more expansive and well decorated. To balance things out, keep the rest of the bed set simple, light shades and neutral duvet, and one bold accent pillow. This way your room stays open but still stylish. Floating nightstands, the secret space. In a small room, floor space is gold, so ditch the traditional bulky nightstands and go to floating bedside shelves instead. These are sleek, easy to mount, and perfect for holding your lamps, books, phone charger, or a candle. Some even come with built-in USB ports. Talk about smart styling. It gives your room a modern look and make cleaning easier too. Dreamy touch. Add a light canopy or mosquito net. Want to feel like you're sleeping in a boutique hotel? Try adding a sheer canopy or mosquito net above your bed. It instantly adds a dreamy, soft and romantic feel to the room. Choose light fabric in white or off-white and hang it from the ceiling or a canopy frame. It's super affordable and makes even the simplest bed look designer level. Texture play. Layer your bed like a pro. In 2025, bed sets are all about texture layering. Instead of going for just one material, mix and match. Use cotton sheets, a velvet cushion, and a fox fur throw at the end of the bed. This not only gives a luxurious feel but also adds depth and dimension, especially helpful when your walls and furniture are neutral. Color contrast. Don't be afraid to mix. A smart way to make your bed stand out in a small room is to use contrasting colors. If your walls are pastel or white, go for deep color bed sheets, maroon, navy, or forest green. On the flip side, if your room is painted in darker tones, go with crisp white or soft greens for the bedding. This visual contrast tricks the eye and makes the bed the focal point of the room. It's an easy way to make the space feel designed, not accidental. So there you have it, the top small bedroom bed set ideas and trends from 2025. Remember, your room may be small, but your style doesn't have to be. From minimalistic designs to storage hacks and dreamy details, here's a perfect bed setup out there for you. Which trends was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more home styling tips every week. Your dream bedroom is just a few changes away. Take care. Bye bye.